Structure of a flowchart. Start, input, condition, true, false, end. Example, should I do my homework now? Follow the given path to draw a flowchart. 1. If you don't have a homework, you may be lying, but if you do, go to the next question. 2. If the homework is due in the next 12 hours, start working. If not, then you have free time. Spend the time by watching TV, playing mobile games, or surfing on social media. 3. Repeat and return to the last step until the answer is yes. 4. If the answer is yes, then start working. Do you have homework? No. Maybe you are lying. Yes. Is it due in less than 12 hours? Yes. Start working. No. Watch TV. Play mobile games. Surfing on social media. Example, draw a flowchart to find profit or loss. In this flowchart, we have taken two inputs, namely cost price and selling price. Then, we will calculate profit or loss depending on the values and prints the same. Cost price, CP. It is the total amount of money that costs a manufacturer to produce a given product or provide a given service. Selling price, SP. It is the final price of a product. Selling price can also be referred to as list price, market price, or standard price. Profit, P. The profit is defined as the amount gained by selling a product, which should be more than the cost price of the product. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss, L. If a product is sold at a price less than its cost price, then the seller makes a loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Flowchart, profit and loss. Start. Read cost price, CP. Read selling price, SP. Is SP greater than CP? Yes. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Print profit. End. Is SP greater than CP? No. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Print loss. End.